My name is Nova, and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Hello, how's it going? Today I sold these 3 Onyx slides, and I'm gonna go ahead and pack this up now, being that I have to go ahead and get ready for the drops tomorrow. I'll talk about it later after I'm done putting this together. Alright, you can see the orders behind me ready to be shipped out. Now, for the drop tomorrow, we have the Yeezy Foam Sands. Now, this is a very important drop, but my expectations are very low. Being that the Yeezy Slide Flax went as bad as it did, well, technically it was a very smooth drop. It's just that stock numbers weren't there and it was just overall pretty difficult. I'm really not expecting to get that many foam runners. Therefore, my goal is 1 checkout for the foam runners. I would be pretty satisfied walking away with 1, even though I have quite a decent setup. It would be nice if I got a bunch though, but I'm expecting tomorrow's drop to be horrendous. I'm expecting something to go wrong. And at the same time, we have Nike Dunks dropping. I'm gonna be trying to go for every single colorway. Hopefully I get a bunch of these as well. I have no idea what stock numbers are gonna look like. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if I get 0 dunks. I wouldn't be surprised if stock numbers were just absolutely abysmal. So yeah, I still gotta finish setting up and hopefully we get some shoes tomorrow. Alright, as I predicted, the Yeezy supply drop was trash. I hit some on WhatBot, however, that part of my botting isn't really included in my Sneakers to Riches series. That's basically an off-camera thing. So that's the only bot that checked out for me. As for all my other bots, nothing. But anyways, we don't got time to really process this information right now because we gotta set up. We got some more drops happening at 11. The main one I'm gonna be going for are these Amamangere Airship. And I also got 2 Nike Dunk Highs. Gonna go ahead and set up for this drop. Hopefully we get something, man. Checkpoint open. All good, all good. Bowling queue. Oh, what? Okay, turns out that was bad, but I have an excuse. So Yeezy Supply, for the very first time, they started to put a limit on how many orders you can get to each address. Now, being that I did check out on WhatBot, it's highly possible that the reason why I didn't get any checkouts on my main setup, which is the one that you saw on the screen, is because I've reached my address limit from WhatBot, and maybe those checked out first, and maybe I would have gotten some checkouts if I hadn't run a setup outside of the Sneakers to Riches series. 2 of them went to one address, 1 of them went to another address. I might cheat a little bit here. I'm going to bend the rules a little bit for Sneakers to Riches. What I'm gonna do is, I know I got 3 checkouts, but I'm going to be adding 2 of these checkouts to my inventory list just because I am fully convinced that if I didn't run another bot, I would have gotten those checkouts on my main setup, and that would have been really no different. So one thing I forgot to talk about were the A Ma Maniére Nike airships. So honestly, I didn't know that much about this sneaker. In fact, I didn't even take the drop that seriously, but I did manage to cop, and I didn't get canceled yet. I heard a lot of people got canceled, but when I saw the resale prices on these, I was like, oh my goodness, this actually sells for an insane amount. Honestly, I didn't even look at the resale prices before I started going for them, but on eBay, people are selling them for like over $600. Like, what the heck? The size that I got in particular should go for around $700 to $750. I currently have it listed for $740. Hopefully someone buys it, but that's insane. And the retail price is $140, although shipping and taxes make it so that I paid like $180, but that's like negligible considering that I get so much payout for it if I do get to sell it for that price. Hopefully I do though. So that absolutely just turned things around. Yesterday was actually pretty successful, all things considered. Anyways, I did sell some shoes. So I sold all of the Yeezy Flax slides that I have in hand, and I sold one of these Chicago 75th anniversary dunks. So UPS closes early today, so I need to pack this up quickly. So we got these 3 shoes that came in the mail. The first up, we got these dunks. Forgot what they're called, but these are pretty hyped up. Seems like a lot of people really like how these look. And of course, the most popular shoe, Panda Dunk. These were from Shoe Palace, and we already got one of the foam runners in. I'm gonna be honest with you, I can't tell the difference between this and the other one called the Ararat Ratata, whatever. Maybe this has a little bit of a light hint of beige in comparison to the other one. I'm pretty sure those were white. As a matter of fact, I have it on me right now. I can just do the comparison. I'll be right back. Okay, here they are. Can you tell the difference, guys? Because I can't. I'm gonna have some B-roll footage of having these 2 on a different screen. This is actually a little bit dangerous because are they the same size? I don't wanna mix them up. Oh my God, they are the same size. They're the same size and I don't know which is which. Yeah, like if you saw someone walking around with either of these, you couldn't tell which colorway is which. In my opinion anyway. I don't know, maybe some people have sharp eyes. Today I sold these UCLA Dunks and these Jordan 1 Shadow Toes. Gonna go ahead and prepare them for fulfillment, get them shipped out tomorrow. And I also have some packages that came in, so gonna go ahead and grab that now. So I got the other Foam Runner Sand and Supreme t-shirt in the black colorway. Gonna go ahead and try and sell this on Grailed or eBay, And for this one, probably gonna sell it to my bulk buyer. We'll see. Hopefully he's able to buy it soon, because I think next month I'm gonna just try to sell as much as I can. Kind of tired of having shoes like just freaking everywhere. So yeah, that's up. Behind me are the sales that I made between yesterday and today. Sold all of my Panda Dunk lows that I have in hand at the moment to a Notify bulk buyer. Basically in Notify you have access to some sneaker store owners that you can sell directly to. So gotta go ahead and get this shipped out and start preparing for tomorrow's drop. We have a very special pair of shoes that came in the mail today. The Amamanier Airships. This thing is nice. Also came with this little booklet thing. When it comes to selling shoes that are higher than like $500 or $400 even, sometimes it just takes like a little bit of patience. But this, I'm not 100% sure if the prices can go down. So I'm trying not to be too greedy, but at the same time, I would kick myself if these went up to like $1,000 and I just decided not to be patient, which does happen sometimes. It's hard to say where it's gonna go, but hopefully I'm able to sell this for a good price. First of all, I'm very glad that I even copped to begin with. So yeah, we'll see what I end up letting these go for. All right, so the last drop of the month, we have some Sakai's, we got some Dunks. We're gonna be going for all three of these. We got some drops on Nike, some drops on the sneakers app, and hopefully some drops on Shopify. I was thinking about trying to cop my personal size for the Sakai's. I actually really like this shoe. It kind of reminds me of Gundam. Dude, if they named this the Gundam colorway, bruh, this would pop off like crazy. But anyways, even if I did get my size, I probably would sell it anyway for the web series. But I don't know, we'll see. I'll try. Apparently these are gonna be crazy limited, so I'm not really counting on it. What is the goal for today? Get one shoe of any of these three colorways and I'll be happy. Let's try. Oh shit, the AI. Mine is glitching, bro. I tried to solve it manually and it fucked it up. Oh, wait, hang on. Oh, I copped one already. Oh, I copped 2, 3. Oh my god. I got one of each shoe. On TSB I'm running 100. Oh my god. So these were the sales for today, including the Supreme t-shirt. In terms of the releases that just happened, I was able to get what I wanted. Unfortunately though, I did not get my size for the Sakai's, but maybe that's for the better. Otherwise, I was able to get basically every single sneaker. I am more than happy with that result. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pack this up because when I get back, we're gonna start to do the recap for the month of August. So how did we do for the month of August? So my total inventory profit throughout the entire series, $8,598.46. My unrealized profit, which is basically how much profit I would get if I sold my entire inventory now. So here is my entire inventory. I would get $2,800. That's an estimate. So we add those up and we get approximately $11,400. As far as my expenses are concerned, I have spent $9,133. So we take unrealized profit plus actual profit minus expenses. We get $2,267. Not too bad, considering we're up around $800 from last month's profit estimates. However, this number definitely could have been a lot higher. There were a few key mistakes that I made throughout the course of August. So the first is missing a bunch of shock drops. I could have had a lot more Panda Dunks, but I don't know if you would just call it a mistake, but I just get like really unlucky. I spent so much time in front of the computer. You guys have no idea. 7 days a week, no days off. And every single time Panda's shock drop, I'm just not in front of the computer. So I don't know, maybe I just can't leave the computer, not allowed to poop, not allowed to shower, just have a waterproof laptop with me. I don't know. I'm salty about that sometimes. Okay, another one is not going for more Nike airships. Those, oh my gosh, the resale prices on those are ridiculous. I could have probably made thousands of dollars. And then the other one, my other misstep was running only one address on Yeezy Supply during the foam sand release. I've already explained this. Usually they didn't care about multiples, but during the foam release, they did care. And honestly, just something I should have been prepared for, but now we know. But anyways, here is my profit overview sheet. So next month, we're gonna be switching some stuff up. We're going to be scaling down our setup to potentially reduce those expenses and hopefully get a somewhat similar amount of checkouts. I don't know, just something I'm gonna try. Also, it gives me a chance to try to clear out some inventory. I'm gonna be trying to sell more than buying because I'm just surrounded by shoes, not exactly something I like in my living space. I have nowhere else to put the shoes. All of my closets are full. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys have been enjoying Sneakers to Riches. I'll see you guys in the next one.